waves, gravitation, energy, drag force. Long ago, the AP students lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when College Board attacked. Only the physics master, master of all physics concepts, could stop her. But when the class needed her most, the curve failed her. 100 time constants passed, and Smiler Harmonic Motion and I discovered the new physics master, an EBHS senior named Good Physics Girl. And although her marshmallow and spaghetti construction skills are great, she has a lot to learn before she's ready to solve anything. But I believe Good Physics Girl can save our scores.
This is Bad Physics Guy. He's one of College Board's evil minions. He's a jerk. Bad Physics Guy slept through the friction unit, so he doesn't really get friction. He forgot that ice has a lower coefficient of kinetic friction than normal ground, so he slipped and fell. Good Physics Girl uses skates to glide gracefully along the surface. Round one goes to Good Physics Girl.
Bad Physics Guy has senioritis, so he skipped school when his class learned about the acceleration of gravity. His senioritis got worse, so he didn't show up during the forces unit at all. He didn't realize that stepping off a cliff leads to plummeting downwards, with the velocity increasing in magnitude at 9.81 meters per second. Good Physics Girl, with her far superior knowledge, realizes she can use a parachute to create a drag force, and so she reaches the ground at a much gentler terminal velocity. She continues on, leaving Bad Physics Guy in his well-deserved predicament. Round 2 goes to Good Physics Girl, who now has a total of 2 points.
As he was climbing out of his hole, Bad Physics Guy had time to think about his poor decisions. He realized understanding forces and acceleration might be useful, so he decided to do some extra practice problems. Unfortunately, since he chose to do this during the torque unit, he has no idea how to use his already questionable strength to maximize torque. Once again, Good Physics Girl wins the round. Now she has a passing score.
Bad Physics Guy was fooling around and giving people shocks during the double period, so he wasn't paying attention to his lab about conductors and insulators. Not paying too much attention to the approaching lightning storm, he chooses a giant metal ship because it makes him feel powerful. Good Physics Girl opts for the humble styrofoam cup because of its insulating properties. When the lightning strikes the river, she is safe, though perhaps a little cramped. Meanwhile, Bad Physics Guy is learning what it feels like to be on the other end of an electric shock. And round 4 goes to Good Physics Girl.
Bad Physics Guy flies off the planet, and Good Physics Girl, master of all physics concepts, defeats the evil College Board with a resounding 5.